Hey guys, McGee here with Wine Country Q. Something pretty cool is happening around here. We've got some solar powered energy that's going to be firing up all these camps and providing power for all the teams this time. What's amazing is that most places that we tour, most places that we cook at, you're going to have generators everywhere. Either the huge diesel versions that are providing everybody with power with big spider boxes, or the individual generators. But right here, we've got almost 20 teams, and the only thing you hear is maybe one generator in the background, and the rest is just folks having a good time. It's good. It's absolutely brilliant. So we're excited about it.
And a big test tomorrow, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna, we're gonna play guinea pig and, see what run it through its paces, and then hopefully we'll be touting.
And what are you gonna run off it tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'm running. Actually, kind of look.
Yeah.
I'm running. I've got. You have to come through here. I've got a little steam table here that we use for sampling, for hot holding.
1,200 watts.
1,200 watts.
Yeah. And we got the lights on in here, and
I got
heater.
Some little lights there, and then I got two Mac grills, pellet smokers, and initially the igniter will draw a bit, but after that it's just cruising.
Yep.
It's just a fan and auger.
All right. Well, thanks for being a part of this.
Yeah. Hey, best of luck to us.
Cheers.
Right?